giving house connections. Now we have been making efforts. So I once again call upon the people to see now most of the lines are commissioned. Even Palmoran line is commissioned, except some line at Ravanford and KPM road. Everything is now ready for connection. House connections, about 15 tenders are floated. Work orders are issued. Work has commenced. Only request is these people should come forward, especially commercial establishment. House connections already around 380 house connections have been released. Commercial connections also they are taking. But I request the hoteliers, small restaurant owners and all those people to come forward. Otherwise they will have there will be a crackdown on them by disconnecting the water supply. But enough publicity is given. We are also making personal effort. Councillors are going, meeting them, asking them. Forms are available. Forms are being even distributed. They have to fill the form, attach a DD and give it to the office. So I again call upon the people, especially commercial establishments and the cooperative societies, to see that this sewerage connection, house connections are taken on priority.
When is exactly this crackdown will be taking place?
पळय ज्या एरियाने कमर्शियल एस्टाब्लिशमेंट थोड्यांनी कमेस केला घेवपाक समज आनी एक म्हयनो रावतले ते समज कोण येना जाल्यार मागीर तांकां दे विल गिव देम नोटिसीस
आता पण त्या हॉटपिक्साचे काम सुरू जाता स्टेशन रोडार बी मेन फ्लीट आनी घेतल्या
ना थंय चालू आसा ताजे पयलीं घे म्हटलां हॉटपिक्स जातकीर रस्तो फोडपाक दिवपाना ताजे पयलीं उदका कनेक्शन काड करतले